Well, there it is. Thanks to our friend online who helped with his video and advice. He's able to get this out. Praise the Lord. The truck is running. The truck is running.
Hallelujah.
Okay, we're going to go outside and take a quick look here, and you'll see the evidence. There it is. He's running. I was able to get that piece out of the ignition and it unlocked the steering. Pretty sure the steering's unlocked too, or is it? Let's see. Oh, hopefully the steering's unlocked. Maybe it's just the. I hope the steering's unlocked. It might just be the snow. There's a lot of snow. Yeah, it's probably the snow. Anyway, she's running. Hopefully that's just the snow that's holding the steering wheel. That might just be the snow. Well, praise the Lord. Praise Jesus for the help we got today. And thanks a lot, brother. God bless you.